Hello viewers, I am Kalpana. Welcome again in series of ISC Chemistry 2023. Question number 12, section C, marking is 21 marks. Question number 12 is 20% of first order reaction is completed in 5 minutes. How much time will be 60% reaction take to complete? Calculate the half-life period for the above reaction. So how can we solve this question? So let us solve it. Question number 12. 5 minutes is given in question. Then we have to log 100 upon 100 minus 20. So 20% given in question 20. So we when we solve this 0.0446 minute. So next one is the 60%. Time is suppose 60% given in question is equal to 2.303 upon 0.0446 into log 100 upon 100 minus 60. So when we solve this, so time 60% will be calculate 20.54 minute. 0.54 minutes. Next one is the half time period. So T1 by 2 0.6932 upon K is equal to 0.6932. When we put the value of K 0.0446, which I have calculated first. So answer is 15.54. This is the answer. इसका आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. Then question number 13. So write the balance equation. Question number 13 is write the balance equation for the following named reaction. So question is suppose question number 1 Sandwich reaction. Question number 1 N2 plus Cl minus. Suppose I am writing like this. CuCl HCl. So chlorobenzene will be formed and nitrogen we get along with chlorobenzene nitrogen. So this is the question number 1. Then question number 2 Woods reaction. Woods reaction we can take any type of alkane. CH3Cl suppose I am taking. CH3Cl again. Methyl chloride. Then when we give 2Na CH3 then 2NaCl. So that is the Woods reaction. Next third one is the Frankston reaction. Methyl chloride, then sodium iodide, methyl chloride in presence of acetone. It perform in presence of acetone. Then it will be changed into CH3I plus NaCl. So this is the question number 13. Question number 13. Then question number 14. So what is the question number 14? Question number 14. Give an example each of reducing sugar and non-reducing sugar. So common example is glucose and sucrose. Then what is denaturation of protein? So what is the denaturation? The process in which the protein loses its biological activity without change in chemical composition. So that is the answer of question number 14, second one. The process in which the proteins loses its biological activity without change in chemical composition. Next third one is the give an example each of water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. So water soluble vitamin B and C is the water soluble vitamins. Then fat soluble vitamins A, D, E and K are the fat soluble vitamins. Then question number 15. So question number again we have to solve this question. Solve this question. Question number 15. What is the question number 15? When 2 gram of benzoic acid is dissolved in 25 gram of benzene, it shows a depression in freezing point equal to 1.62 K. Molar depression constant Kf of benzene is 4.9 K kg per mole. मेरा पेपर थोड़ा सा रफ फोटोकॉपी हुई है. एंड मॉलिकुलर वेट ऑफ बेंजोइक एसिड इज 122 ग्राम पर मोल. What will be the percentage association of the benzoic acid? Benzoic acid form dimer when dissolved in benzene, also given in a question. So how can we solve this? First, question number 15. Look at here. Question number 15, del TF. So formula is KF into W2 upon M2 into W1. So when we put the value 1.62 given in your question, then KF 4.9 given in question into 2.0 given in question, then upon M2 we have to calculate, and 25 also given in question, 25 gram of benzene. Then calculate this. So molecular weight of benzoic acid, so we have to calculate 0.242 kg per mole. So when we change this to gram, so suppose 242 gram per mole. So when we put here, so molecular weight given in your question 122 gram per mole given in the question. So percentage association is equal to 100 into 242 we get from here, then 2 into 122. 120 is the molecular weight. So when we solve this, so we get 99.2%. This is the answer. Screenshot ले सकते हैं आप लोग. Then next question number 16. So what is the question number 16? Phenol is a stronger acid than aliphatic alcohol due to the resonance. Because of phenol में क्या होता है? Resonance होता है, जो कि aliphatic alcohol में नहीं होता है. Then question number 2. Ethanol gives iodoform reaction whereas methanol does not give iodoform reaction. Ethanol with CH3CH2OH group undergoes iodoform test. क्योंकि हमारे पास एथेनॉल पे क्या है? CH3CH2OH ग्रुप है, लेकिन हमारे मेथेनॉल पे क्या है? CH3OH ओनली. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट परफॉर्म द आयोडोफॉर्म टेस्ट. और हमारा मेथेनॉल क्या होता है? वो नहीं देता है. देन ईथर शुड नॉट बी डिस्टिल्ड टू ड्राइनेस. ईथर कंटेन्स peroxide which are highly explosive and can decompose violently on using. So that is the reason. So that's why ether should not be distilled to dryness. Then question number 17. Question number 17. What is the question number 17? Question number 17. Identify the compound A, B, C in the following reaction. So A, B, C in the following reaction. A, in A, CH3COOH given. So NH3 and heat also. So what we form here? CH3CONH2. So that is the A. This is the answer A. Then again Br2 and KOH. Br2 then KOH. It form BCl CH3NH2. This is the answer number B. So this is one and that one second one B. Then come to the C. CHCl3 then NaOH in presence of NaOH. So it forms CH3NC. This is the answer number C. Okay. Then question number B. So this one answer, then that one answer, and this one also the answer A, B, C. Next is the B number. B, CH3, Br. So A, we have to get here CH3Cn. Then again B, what we form? CH3, CH2, NH2. And C, CH3, CH2, OH. So these are the answer A, then B, then C. In condition given in your equation, CH3Br in presence of KCl, it changed into CH3Cl, which is the answer number A. Then again in presence of LiAlH4, it changed into CH3CH2 NH2. This is the answer number B. Then third, in presence of HNO3 and 273 Kelvin temperature, so it changed into CH3CH2OH. This is the answer number C. A, B, C. So question number 7 complete. Question number 17 first completed. Then second one. How will you the following be converted? Give chemical equation only. So we have to write the chemical equation only. So how can we solve this? Question number 17 second. Question number 17 first completed. Then question number 17 second. Question number 17 second. How will you following be converted? Ethyl bromide to ethyl isocyanide. How can we convert it? So ethyl bromide C2H5Br. So this is the answer. In presence of AgCN, so it will be changed into C2H5NC. NC isocyanide. बिल्कुल ध्यान देना है, CN नहीं लिखना है. Isocyanide means NC. अगर CN लिखोगे, that means answer will be wrong. Then next one, the aniline to benzene diazonium chloride. A. Then come to the B. Aniline, then in presence of NaNO2, it will be complete, then HCl. N2Cl, positive and negative. So diazonium chloride will be formed. Then C. So what is the benzene diazonium chloride to phenol? How can we convert? Benzene diazonium chloride N2Cl, positive then negative, H2O in form of steam we have to give here. So it will be changed into OH, phenol, then N2, then HCl. H2O in form of steam. So we have to put H2O in form of steam. So these are the chemical equation. How will the following be converted? So next question is 18. So how can we solve this question? Question number 18. Question number 18. Question number 18. First order reaction of 50% completed in 40 minutes at 300 Kelvin and in 20 minutes of 320 Kelvin. Calculate the activation energy of the reaction. So how can we solve this? First I will calculate the K1. So 2.303 upon 40 log 100 upon 100 minus 50, 0.0173. Then K2. So K2 2.303 upon 20 given in question. So log 100 upon 100 minus 50. So when we calculate this one, 3466. Then log, again next step, K2 upon K1. So EA 2.303 R, T2 minus T1 upon T1 into T2. Okay, so when we put the value, so log 0.3466 upon 0.0173 EA upon 2.303 into 8.314, 320 minus 300 upon 320 minus 300. So when we calculate this, so EA, we get the answer 27735.17 joule per mole. Joule per mole. When we change into kilojoule, so EA 27 point will be displaced 735 kilojoule per mole. ओके, स्क्रीनशॉट आप इसका ले सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. Then now come to the question number 19, means section D. Section D 15 marks. Section D 15 marks. Question number 19. Write the chemical equation to illustrate the following names reaction. Cannizzaro reaction. First question 19. Question number 1. So write the naming reaction. First A, Cannizzaro reaction, HCHO. So I am writing here like this. So here we have to write also 2 HCHO, then concentrated H2SO4. हम चाहें तो इसे 2 मॉलिक्यूल HCHO भी लिख सकते हैं. Concentrated H2SO4. When we apply, so it will be changed into, हमें क्योंकि ये बनता हुआ दिखाना है, इसीलिए हमने इसको 2 मॉलिक्यूल को अलग अलग लिख लिया. So Na, then CH3OH. Then B, HVZ reaction. HVZ reaction में हम क्या लेते हैं, CH3COOH plus chlorine लिया, 3 molecule. In presence of phosphorus, it change into CCl3COOH plus HCl. इसको बैलेंस किया 3 से, so it will be a complete. Then C, aldol condensation. CH3 CH double bond O, then CH3, 2 molecule we have to need, so H. In presence of dilute H2SO4, CH3 CHOH CH2 C double bond O H. So this is the aldol condensation. So again CH3 CH double bond CH CHO. हम इसको इस फॉर्म पे भी लिख सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द एल्डोल कंडेंसेशन. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द हाउ विल द फॉलोइंग बी कन्वर्टेड. हाउ कैन वी कन्वर्ट दिस वन? एसिटल्डिहाइड टू एसीटोन. हम कैसे बनाते हैं? एसिटल्डिहाइड से एसीटोन. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 सेकेंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 सेकेंड वन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 conversion. A number, acetaldehyde to acetone. How can we convert? So CH3CHO, that is the acetaldehyde. हम इसे क्या दे रहे हैं? ऑक्सीजन. So it will change into CH3COOH. Simply add to the oxygen. Then again CaOH whole twice. In presence of CaOH whole twice, CH3COCH3. So this is the aldol condense for acetaldehyde to acetone. Now next B, formaldehyde to urotropin. So formaldehyde HCHO. So NH3 ammonia react with ammonia in presence of heat. CH2 whole 6 N4 aerotropin. So this is the formula of aerotropin. Then 6H2O. So how to balance 6 then 4. So it will be complete. So question number 19 completed. Then question number 20. So question number 20, name the type of isomerism exhibited by the following pair of compound. So first compound have the isomerism, linkage isomerism, because ONO and NO2 different ligands are there, ONO and NO2. So that will be a linkage isomerism. Then B, CrH2O whole 5 Cl Cl2 dot H2O. Then CrH2O whole 4 Cl2 Cl dot 2H2O. Hydrate isomerism. Then C number, PTNH3 whole 4 Cl2 Br2 and PTNH3 whole 4 Br2 Cl2. Ionization isomerism. Suppose when we ionize in different compound, so it will be a ionized in a different way. First one bromide ion, it get the bromide ion, and second one the chloride ion. So that's why it have the isomerism. Which isomerism is occur here? Ionization isomerism. Then question number 2, 20. Question number 2. Write the IUPAC name of the following complexes. CONH3 whole 4 H2O whole 4 Cl3. So क्या है इसकी IUPAC नेमिंग कैसे करेंगे? टेट्राएमीन डाई एक्वा कोबाल्ट थर्ड क्लोराइड. Again I am repeating here, tetraamine diaqua cobalt third chloride. B number, K2NiCN whole 4. So name or IUPAC name, potassium tetracyanonickelate second. हमें इनके बीच में कोई भी गैपिंग नहीं रखनी है. पोटेशियम टेट्रासाइनोनिकेलेट सेकेंड. Okay, then last next one is the question number 21. Question number 21. Question number 21 is, so what is the question number 21? The specific conductance of 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4m formic acid is 5.25 into 10 to the power minus 5 per ohm per centimeter. Calculate its molar conductivity and degree of dissociation. Given value is given 349.5 per ohm per centimeter square per mole, and again value is given H plus value 349.5 and HCOO minus value 50.5 is given. So how can we calculate it? So that is the molar conductivity. Molar conductivity lambda m. So formula is kappa into 1000 upon m So when we put the value 5.25 into 10 to the power 5 into 1000, when we put in the value 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 given in the question. So when we calculate this one, so we get centimeter square per mole. So again, concentration upon so when we put the value 210 upon 349.5 plus 50.5. So answer will be 0.525. Suppose putting the decimal to here, so 52.5%. So you can take the screenshot. Question 21. Question number 21. That is the answer of question number 21. 21 first. I am solving here question number 21 first one. Next question number 21 second. Question number 21 second is स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया. इसके बाद सॉल्व करते हैं हम सेकेंड पार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 second. Calculate the time taken to deposit 1.27 gram of copper at cathode when a current of 2 ampere is passed through the solution of copper sulfate. Atomic weight of copper is given 63.5 gram per mole. So how can we calculate? I am solving question number 21 second question. So W is equal to E upon F into I into T. So 1.27 31.7 upon F, value of 96 500 into 2 T. So when we solve this, 1933 second. So when we change into minute, so 32 minutes. So answer सेकेंड में भी लिख सकते हैं हम, मिनट्स में भी लिख सकते हैं. 32 मिनट. Then question number or question second one is in question number 21 have optional 2 questions are there, so you have to solve any one, but I am solving here both questions. So second one is the resistance of conductivity cell with 0.1 m KCl solution is 200 ohm. When the same cell is filled with 0.02 m NaCl solution, the resistance of 1100 ohm. If the conductivity of 0.1 m KCl solution is 0.0129 ohm per centimeter, calculate the cell constant and molar conductivity of 0.02 m NaCl solution. So how can we